Let's try the most expensive cantaloupe in the world. I believe it's called a muskmelon from Japan. All the fruits out of Japan for some reason are super expensive. This cost me over $80. Okay, so this looks like a regular cantaloupe. It does smell really sweet though. Okay, it is really juicy, but I just can't see myself justifying this costing me $80. So far, the only thing that came close to being justified was the Japanese Miyazaki mango. I think that was $70, but that was actually really good. And I'm a sucker for mangoes. I'm not a huge fan of cantaloupes to begin with. On top of that, it's overpriced. I'm giving this like a 7.2 out of 10.
Oh my god, so sweet.
That's juicy, yeah?
It's my favorite, yeah. ये watermelon से भी अच्छा है, नहीं?
No, I like watermelon better than
नहीं
cantaloupe.
वो तो है, लेकिन sweetness इतना कभी भी नहीं हुआ ये.
Yeah, it's more sweeter than a regular cantaloupe.
Yeah.
Go take the whole thing. I don't even like this.
So sweet, so good. Wow. आपने खाया?
Yeah. Go. All yours.
इनका fruit ही तो सारा अच्छा है.